Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about.
Hello friends, let us now learn some important points about clinidipine. What is clinidipine? Clinidipine is a novel dihydropyridine calcium channel blocker, and this clinidipine will block L and N type of calcium channels. Because it blocks N type of calcium channels, it will result in decreased sympathetic activity, and it will provide additional antihypertensive action without causing reflex tachycardia. This is about clinidipine. Thank you for watching.
Thank you and thank you for watching.